Plant FAQs. Paeonia broteri. What is Paeonia broteri? For years, peonies have held a special place in my garden. Their blousy blooms and intoxicating fragrance are a true harbinger of spring. But recently, I stumbled upon a hidden gem, the Paeonia broteri. This lesser-known peony species has captivated me with its unique charm, and I'm eager to share its wonders with fellow flower enthusiasts. The name, Broteri, might conjure images of pecans, but fear not, these are entirely different plants. Paeonia broteri belongs to the Paeoniaceae family, renowned for its ornamental flowering plants. Pecans, on the other hand, are nut-bearing trees classified under the Juglandaceae family. So, while the shared name might cause a momentary glitch, their appearances and purposes are worlds apart. The Paeonia broteri is a herbaceous perennial, meaning it emerges each spring, gracing the garden with its presence for years to come. Unlike its tree peony cousins, it boasts a more modest stature, reaching a height of 30 to 80 centimeters. But what it lacks in height, it makes up for in floral grandeur. Imagine delicate, rose-pink blossoms, each measuring a captivating 12 centimeters wide. These fragrant beauties unfurl in all their glory during the early days of spring, offering a delightful contrast against the backdrop of glossy green, finely divided leaves. The entire plant exudes a sense of elegance and refinement, making it a true conversation starter in any garden. Beyond beauty, uncovering the native allure of Paeonia broteri. This captivating peony holds a special significance for those with a love for Iberian flora. The Paeonia broteri is endemic to the Iberian Peninsula, meaning it thrives naturally in the specific climate and conditions found in Spain and Portugal. This adds a layer of intrigue to its beauty, as it represents a piece of the region's unique botanical heritage. How to care for Paeonia broteri. If you're captivated by the allure of the Paeonia broteri, you might be wondering how to bring its magic into your own garden. Here's some good news. This little charmer isn't overly demanding. Thriving in well-drained, open spaces bathed in sunlight, the Paeonia broteri prefers alkaline soil. Planting it in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily will ensure optimal growth and bloom production. While it tolerates moderate drought conditions, providing occasional watering during dry spells will keep your peony happy and thriving. A symphony of color. Choosing companions for your Paeonia broteri. While the Paeonia broteri shines on its own, pairing it with complementary plants can elevate the overall garden aesthetic. Consider early blooming perennials like Siberian irises or ornamental alliums, whose vibrant hues will create a stunning color combination. For textural contrast, low-growing evergreens like creeping phlox or thyme can add visual interest and provide year-round greenery. How to propagate Paeonia broteri. Once your Paeonia broteri establishes itself and thrives, you might be tempted to share its magic with others. This delightful peony can be propagated through division, a process best undertaken in the fall after the foliage dies back. Carefully unearth the mature plant and gently divide the rootstock into several sections, each with a few healthy buds. Replant these divisions in suitable locations, and with proper care, they'll soon reward you with their own captivating blooms. A final enchantment. The enduring appeal of Paeonia broteri. The Paeonia broteri is more than just a beautiful flower. It's a conversation starter, a symbol of Iberian heritage, and a testament to the enduring power of nature's artistry. So, the next time you seek a unique and captivating addition to your garden, consider welcoming the Paeonia broteri into your floral haven. Its delicate beauty, fragrant blooms, and unassuming charm are sure to steal a piece of your heart.